Hello friends, my name is Malik and today I'm going to explain you the multiplication of mixed numbers. But before that, I want to tell you something. Don't forget to see our second channel, Bob Beta Vibes, which is coming soon. So let's continue. So today I'm going to explain you the multiplication of mixed numbers. Example 1 is 2 and 1/2 multiplied by 1 and 1/3. Let's multiply. Step number 1. Make it improper fraction. So 2 multiply 2, which is 4. 4 plus 1, which is 5. 5/2. Multiply by 3 multiply 1, which is 3. 3 plus 1, which is 4. 4/3. Step number 2. Which is multiply the numerators. 5 multiplied by 4, which is 20. Step 3. Multiply the denominators. 2 multiplied 3 equals to 6. So the multiplication answer will be 26. Now it's 26. So these both are even numbers. So we'll do this. If these are both are even numbers, we can divide it by 2. 20 divided by 2, which is 10. 6 divided by 2, which is 3. Now, to complete the answer, we have to make it a mixed number again. So let's divide. So it will be 3 here, 9, we made a 1. Now, write the divisor here, quotient here, and the remainder in the numerator. Divisor in the denominator, quotient in the whole number, and the remainder in the numerator. So simple. So here 2 and 1/2 multiply 1 and 1/3 equals to 3 and 1/3. 3 and 1/3. So simple. Now let's take another example. 3 and 1/4 multiplied by 2 and 1/2. 3 and 1/4 multiply 2 and 1/2. Convert it into an improper fraction. Step 1. Convert it into an improper fraction. 4 multiply 3, which is 12. 12 plus 1, which is 13. 4th. Multiply by 2 and 2 multiply 2, which is 4. 4 plus 1, which is 5. 5/2. Now, step number 2. Step 2. 13 multiply 5. 13 multiply 5, which is 65. Step number 3. 4 multiply 2, which is 8. So it will be 65 8. So above is an odd number and down is an even number. Not possible. And we could try it with 5, but it is not possible because 8 can't be divided by 5. Let's make it now a mixed number. 8 divided by 65. It will be 8, 64, remainder 1. Now write the quotient as the whole number. Write the remainder in the numerator. Write the divisor in the denominator. So simple! Here, da, 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 da. It's really simple. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time.